What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So as I told you earlier that Huawei is now facing relaxation from all the problems. Like US is now slowly allowing companies to work with Huawei again, but at the same time I told you that after this whole issue, Huawei will think twice to work with US again. Like Huawei lost their current chipsets due to this ban, and due to that they won't trust US anymore. Anyway, I was right because now it seems Huawei is going to take a major step. Well, according to the latest report, Huawei is now preparing to make its own chipset plant instead of relying on TSMC or any other chip-making company, and that's a pretty bold and surprising claim. Because Huawei said they will make their own chipset plant that will run on behalf of the in-house R&D business and will be backed by the local government and will not use any American technology. But I would say making a whole new chip making plant is not that simple as it seems though. Huawei said they will initially be able to only manufacture 45nm chipsets that were initially introduced back in 2017. Like right now they will be able to make 15 years old technology, but Huawei have plans. They said at the end of 2021 they will be able to make 28nm chipsets, and by 2022 it's targeting 20nm processors, which would allow it to build 5G base stations chipset for its telecom division. So I would say the plant is by no means any instant fix for Huawei. I mean, Huawei's current 9000 chipset is using 5nm process, and most of Huawei's mid-range phones are using 14nm process. So I would say it is a long-term investment for Huawei. The company would eventually have an alternative chipset provider that skirts US sanctions. And this is at least true for its telecom division. If not, it's back at square one. There's really nothing to lose at this point. Anyway, there is some hope for Huawei though. Suppliers are now gradually getting licenses for the US to supply the company's smartphone division with components including displays, camera sensors, and some chipsets for its mobile devices. But its 5G business remains trapped by the ongoing trade ban. The plant, however, is a slower burner and could be a key to its long-term survival. But honestly, it's a pretty huge step from Huawei. Like they don't want to rely on any other chip-making company. Instead, they're ready to make their own chip-making company. So yeah, what's your thoughts on this huge move from Huawei? Well, I'm really surprised to hear that, but do tell me your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.